If you love country music, but you have no idea how to play it on the piano, I have this incredible course that I've created that will help you to play authentic piano arrangements to your favorite country hits, old and new. You'll learn how to play accompaniments, arrangements, and authentic sounding fills. Country Music Piano Skills is a concise workshop designed to teach you all the basics of country music. You'll learn authentic accompaniment skills designed to get you playing your favorite country, folk, and country rock songs on the piano. And I always say, why should guitar players have all the fun? In this course, you'll learn all about musical styles and the relationship between these styles, including the blues and folk music and how that shows up in country music. You'll learn some country music attributes, learning about the components that go into that country sound. And you'll learn 3 accompaniment strategies that will cover you for pretty much everything, from Patsy Cline to Keith Urban. You'll learn 5 different fill strategies that will suit literally any song, and you'll learn some song tutorials of some country favorites, including Blue Bayou, Me and Bobby McGee, and Country Roads Take Me Home. Bonus, you'll get a boogie woogie piano skills works. You'll also get a bonus boogie woogie piano skills course that will work great to give you the basics that you need for country rock and up-tempo country songs. This course has absolutely everything you will need to succeed in country music, and you'll have a heck of a lot of fun doing it. Country Music Piano Skills is just one of the courses that is included in the Versatile Musician, my unique all-inclusive membership that combines a wide range of music skills into an easy-to-use site. Members get unlimited access to hundreds of video tutorials and courses, meticulously notated print materials, practice guidance, and live support from me. The Versatile Musician includes 28 unique courses, over 90 unique song tutorials complete with downloadable printables, over 1,000 unique tutorials, monthly Zoom workshops on topics requested by members, and live support from me. The Versatile Musician is designed to be a place where you can take what you need to be able to develop your own skills. It's fully customizable, and you'll get help from me every step of the way. For a low monthly fee or an annual fee that includes 2 months for free, you get to work on all of the subjects you can think about in music, from music theory to musicianship to singing technique to piano skills to custom topics like jazz, pop, rock and roll, and blues. Join today at the Versatile Musician.